Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. It's Friday the 20th of December, so this is my last vlog of 2024. This is the last vlog, the last thing I'm doing. Yesterday I decided, this has been something that I've been thinking about for quite a while, but I'm doing my longest digital detox. So I say digital detox, I'm still gonna be going on my phone, but I've deleted Instagram, and then today, after I've posted a couple of things that I need to on TikTok, I will be, well, it's already deleted, but I just need to go on and do something, but then I won't be going on that. And the plan is to stick with that until the 29th, so do a 10-day digital detox, which I feel like is needed because I felt nervous to do it, which for me is a sign that I've just got a little bit into, it's work for me as well. It's so, well, the boundaries are blurred because it's work. So I've kind of had to say to myself, look, you're taking time off work, then it's also something I enjoy. So yeah, I'm just like, actually, it will help me break that cycle of just picking up my phone whenever, because I do still do that and mindlessly scroll. Despite wanting to live a more mindful life, I'm not immune. So yeah, I just was like, I really want to just see how it feels to have no social media, nothing to fill any gap of time. I just thought, this is something I need to nip in the bud. So yes, we are here. It's Friday. I'm getting ready for the day. It's actually 10 o'clock. It's a fair bit later than I would usually be doing this. But I've just had a bit of a slow morning. I've done a little bit of meal prep, had some breakfast, and I'm heading into town because I'm actually going to look at cameras. I did have sort of a bigger DSLR camera and I'd really like another one. Maybe not even a DSLR, but a mirrorless camera. Been doing a little bit of research and basically I'd just like to take better pictures. So yeah, I'm going to Wex in Nottingham to have a little look in there. Then I'm meeting up with my friend Molly and seeing her one final time before Christmas. And then I'm going to get my hair done. I think I'm getting a good trim, not going short, kind of keeping some of the length, that just tidy, a good tidy up. And then I'm enjoying having my root colour as it is. I have been, I was looking back at pictures and I've been quite blonde in the past, but I actually think that my more natural colour suits me a little bit better, or not being quite so light. So yeah, I'm gonna say that, and I'd quite like to just keep the condition of my hair healthy. So yes, a really nice day planned, and then tomorrow is just gonna be a really festive day of crafts, and there's something in our a little local village that we can go to, a very festive carol service, so we're going to be doing that, which I'm really excited for. So yeah, I'm in full festive Christmas mode. Let me know what your plans are for Christmas and downtime. Do you take a long amount of time off? I've never really had, have I ever had the full 2 weeks? Honestly, I don't think since being in full-time work I've ever had a full 2 weeks, because I would always use my time off to be blogging or on social media and doing this and that. So yeah, to actually have a really solid chunk of time off work feels like this is what I was aiming for when I wanted to start living a little bit slower. Wednesday night I did my winter solstice workshop, which I loved. Yeah, that's become one of my favourite things to do. I just love hosting those workshops. So thank you if you came. There is a recording, a replay, which I'll leave linked in the description box, because technically today, and over this weekend when you're watching this, if you're watching this on Sunday when it goes live, we're still in winter solstice, that period of stillness, and a lot of it is about winter in general as well. So yeah, if you missed it and wanted to join, I'll leave that linked. But yes, I'm gonna finish off doing my makeup, finish my cup of tea, and bring you along for the day. Do a little outfit share. I've got on this jacket, which is this 100% wool? I'm not sure. It contains quite a lot of wool. It's originally from H&M. I say originally, I did buy this from H&M, but I got it around 6 years ago and it's still in my wardrobe because I don't really wear it that often. It's the kind of thing that is only good for dry, sunny autumn/winter days, which in the UK obviously we don't get many of. Underneath it, I've just got on this Arquette jumper. This is, I think it's alpaca wool. It's so warm. So again, it's it's one of those things that because it's so warm, I have to think about when I'm wearing it, where I'm gonna be. But yeah, I've got this on underneath. And then honestly, I have lived in these Cezanne. These are again, just wool trousers, all of winter because they've just got a really nice stretchy waistband. And yes, that is my outfit of the day. And also a little before of my hair, annoyingly, I don't know if anyone else finds this, I'm actually really enjoying how it's looking right now. But obviously, like, you have to get your hair, well, I have to book in with the person I get my hair done in advance. And I just didn't know where I'd be with it. And I thought, oh, it's been like 4 months. So I'm probably not going to get that much of a change, to be honest. Anyway, I'm going to go and get my bus into town. Good morning. It's Saturday. Didn't show you my hair yesterday because it was just dark when I got back, and I thought, you're not going to be able to see anything anyway. But I'm so happy with it. It's exactly what I wanted. It just feels fresh. It's a lot more subtle because the blonde was just looking very blonde at the end. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. And actually the curl has lasted so well through the night. Nearly 10 o'clock. I've had the slowest of slow mornings. It's winter solstice. So if you're watching this actually the day, I'm filming this the day before it's going up. If you're watching this on Sunday, then happy winter solstice. We are in a period of stillness before the days start to get longer again, and I'm leaning into it, I'm soaking it up. Having said that, I have been up since 5. I finished off the Hunger Games, which I thoroughly enjoyed, and have moved on to the second in the series, and I'm loving it. How have I not watched it before? I have no idea. Anyway, so yeah, just having a slow morning. Jay's done a night shift, so he's on his way home, so he'll just be going straight to sleep. Also at some point today, probably after I finish the Hunger Games now, I'm going to sit down with my journal and just go through some of the journal prompts that I've been sharing. I'll leave a link in the description box to a post that I pushed live this morning with some kind of end of year reflections in, but they do also tie in with the solstice if you didn't want to kind of do like a big sort of ritual for it. Sometimes I get to the end of the year and I don't feel ready. There's no sense of excitement. I feel dread because I'm like, oh, I should feel excited for the hope and prospect of a new year. And I've definitely put that pressure on myself before to be like raring and ready to go and wanting to start the year strong and feeling really good. Even though like we're in the depths of winter and all that stuff. This year's a little bit of an exception that I am actually really excited for the prospect of 2025. Like, it's going to be a big year for me, but I think however you feel about going into the new year is valid. And yeah, if it feels good for you to do a little bit of journaling or, lean into these markers, go for it, do it. But it's not going to be like a one size fits all thing where everyone's going to thrive off that. Like, you might just not really be that bothered because you're like, actually, I'm going to wait until spring and have a really gorgeous winter where I don't even think about the fact that we're heading into a new year and sort of see spring as my new year. So yeah, that's what I did last year. Just took the pressure off and it was good. I just remembered that the POA for dinner this evening is a stew, obviously with dumplings, crusty bread, all that stuff, but I haven't made a start on it. So I'm going to do that and then I'm going to watch the Hunger Games. Also, please just be prepared over the next few months to see the same outfits over and over. I am kind of at the point where I feel like I do need to get a couple more bits just to vary it up a little bit for myself. But yeah, this cardigan with the white t-shirt combo and the black pants is my favourite at the minute. So yeah, you're probably just going to see it. That is Jay coming home. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with the stew. I have been chilling here for about an hour. Stew is on. I've been on my laptop actually. I've got a spreadsheet that I'm compiling all of my baby buying bits into. Like, we've not bought that much yet, although we do need to get a little bit of a move on with it. It's a post-Christmas January thing, and obviously there are so many different products, there are so many different things that you could buy, and I remember someone saying to me years ago, or I heard it somewhere, that when you're pregnant you are at your most marketable, because obviously it's a time where it's a completely new thing, unless you're like moving into a house, or I don't know, basically you just need a lot. Well, they make it seem like you need a lot of stuff, so I'm trying to just be a bit more, like, look at ways that I can streamline what we buy and hopefully just get the bits that we really do need. We've had a couple of things passed down to us. I've bought the odd thing from Facebook Marketplace. I've bought a couple of things, and yeah, I mean, I've actually been really lucky in that 2 brands have reached out that are brands that I really like the look of. So we've actually got our pram coming soon, which is very exciting. But yeah, I've just been basically doing that, just having a nice relaxing time, allowing myself to not really do much else. How's this work then? Is there 2 individual plants? I've had a delivery. I mean, this is a little bit out of season, but Sarah Raven had a sale, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to pre-order some of my spring plants, and then they'll be able to just stay dormant over winter, then I can properly plant them out in spring, in early spring. So they've come like this, and then obviously in spring they'll grow back, hopefully. So I'm just going to put those in the shed. And from what I've read online, I should be able to plant them out, and they'll grow and be gorgeous. Once we start getting more light back and we head into spring, I can plant them out. And I just thought, actually, it's going to be really handy for me to have them ready to go, rather than having to think about border design and all that sort of stuff. And depending on when the baby comes, either I can do it or Jay can do it. We're going to head out to like the local Christmas. It's not, well, it is a market actually, local Christmas market. I'm going to put these on, these little green fingerless gloves. Can't remember where I got these. I think it's called Roka. But yeah, just really warm and cozy because they're 100% cashmere. And actually they were like the best, like they were the nicest colour I could find. And also really good price as well for 100% cashmere. And then I'm going to have to put my big coat on because it's a little bit chilly. I love that the stars now a little bit wonky. Oh, it looks so nice. It is. It is. Freezing. Oh, I just thought you don't want to be in the vlog. I am gonna sign this vlog off here. I've had a gorgeous evening. It's been really nice. Me and Jay obviously went out, as you saw. I tried to film as much as I could, but we just ended up chatting. And I was like forgetting to film bits. But yeah, it was very nice, very festive. Came home, had our stew, as you will have seen, which was delicious actually. It turned out really nice. And now I am going to finish off this vlog. I want to get this live for tomorrow and just have a chilled evening. As I said at the beginning of this vlog, I've deleted social media, so lots of reading, probably catching up on a couple of people's vlogmases that I've not been able to keep up with this year. There's so many people doing it. Seeing as though this is my final vlog of 2024, I just wanted to say thank you for watching and being here and hyping me up. Like a lot of my messages on Instagram, well, not a lot of them, but I get the odd message saying that you enjoy the vlogs, and yeah, it keeps me going. Honestly, it seems to be whenever I think, oh, maybe I shouldn't do YouTube and I doubt myself, that a message comes through to say, oh, I've just watched your vlog and I really enjoyed it, or, you know, something along those lines. So thank you. I think if you've got
a creator or someone that you watch that puts stuff out on the internet and you like what they do, letting them know is, yeah, a really good thing, because you don't know kind of how they're feeling on this side. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, just want to say thank you, and it's been a really great year, and I'm very excited for what 2025 will bring. I hope you have a gorgeous festive period, whatever you are up to, and I will see you in the new year.